Good evening, lovely peoples. I was just wondering if you would like to join me around about this time tomorrow evening for the introduction to the 5-day challenge to create new productive habits. If you've seen any of my content over the content, there we go, over the last 3-4 weeks, you'll know that this month we are looking at habits and how to shift them and create new ones without having to worry about getting rid of the old ones. So I hope you can join me tomorrow night for the introduction session and also a bit of a Q&A as well, so that we can get it started before running into 5 days of content and then a workshop next Saturday. So this time next week will be just over halfway through, or half an hour into it even. It's been a long weekend and it's only Saturday. Yeah, so I hope you can join me tomorrow. I just thought I'd do it as a live tonight, just to mix up the algorithms and all that good stuff. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely rest of your evening, day, morning, whenever it is that you're watching this. And I'll see you on the Q&A tomorrow in the group on Facebook. The recording will then go into LinkedIn. And I hope you are there, either on live or recorded. Bye-bye.